Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Farhan Bezazali. Today, my team want to present about workplace environment and ergonomics. This is my team's names, which are Muhammad Arif Daniel bin Abdullah, Ahmad Ikmal Safwan bin Abdul Hafiz, Muhammad Farhan Bezazali, it's me, Muhammad Shahriman bin Tumiran. So, let's check it out. What is ergonomics? Derived from two Greek words, nomoi, meaning natural laws, ergon, meaning work. Hence, ergonomics study human capabilities in relationship to work demands. Occur when the type of work, body position, and working condition put strain on your body. They are the hardest to spot since you don't always immediately notice the strain on your body or the harm these hazards pose. Short-term exposure may result in sore muscle the next day or in the days following exposure, but long-term exposure can result in serious long-term injuries. History: as early as 18th century, doctors noted that workers who required to maintain body position for long periods of time developed musculoskeletal problems. Within the last 20 years, research has clearly established connection between certain job tasks, RSI or MST. Focus and objective of ergonomics. The focus is that people, their abilities and limitations, and their requirement and consider when object system which people use and operate within are being designed and developed. Procedures to carry out work are being developed. Facilities which involve and affect people and being evaluated. The objective ergonomics are enhance and optimize the effectiveness with which work and other human activities are carried out. Also, to maintain certain desirable human values in the process, stimulate work interest and satisfaction. So, now let's continue to other slide with my friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahriman bin Tumiran. Ergonomic hazards include: first is poor lighting. Second, improperly adjust workstation and chairs. Third, poor posture. Fourth, awkward movement, especially if they are repetitive. 5. Repeating the same movement over and over. 7. Having to use too much force, especially if you have to do it frequently. Next, effects of poor ergonomics. The first is discomfort. Second, accident and injuries. Third, fatigue. 4. Errors. 5. Illness. 6. Anions. And 7. Productivity down. Okay, next. What are two elements at work? Static work. Musculoskeletal effort required to hold a certain position, even a comfortable one. For example, will sit and work at computers, keep head and torso upright, requires small or great amounts of static work depending on the efficiency of the body position we choose. Fourth, the amount of tension our muscle generate is, for example, tilting your head forward or backward from a natural vertical position quadruples the amount of force acting on your lower neck vertebrae.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Mazafan bin Abdul Hafiz. Today I would like to share about three main ergonomic principles, risk assessment, and how to assess risk. Three main ergonomic principles. First, work activities should permit worker to adopt several different healthy and safe postures. Second, muscle force should be done by large, appropriate muscle group available. Third, work activity should be performed with a joint at the about midpoint of the room, especially head, trunk, or UE. Risk assessment. What is risk assessment? Risk assessment is the process of evaluating the risk to safety and health from hazard at work. Type of risk assessment. Qualitative. Fatality, major injuries, minor injuries, and first aid or near miss. How to assess risk. First, look for hazard. Hazard can be found if you walk around your workplace or ask the employees. Second, decide who might be harmed and how. Number 3, evaluate the risk and check what is done to prevent it from happening. Number 4, record finding. Number 5, review assessment and revise it if necessary. That's all my part in this presentation. Now I will pass the baton to my friend Muhammad Arif.
How to prevent risk. First, you can warm up and stretch before activities that are repetitive, static, or prolonged. Second, take frequent breaks from any sustained posture every 20 to 30 minutes. Third, expect pain position or stop painful activity. Fourth, recognize early signs of inflammatory process and injury early. Action and recommendation. There is 6 action and 6 recommendation that action. EL means eliminate, SL substitutes, IS isolation, EC engineering control, AC administration control, PPE personal protection equipment. Recommendation EL stop work, cover hazard, SL use other road or other material, IS put up temporary barrier, EC constructs permanent wall, AC put up notice, job rotation, PPE glove and respiration. Benefits of ERA. Enable employer to plan or implement and monitor preventive measures. Reduction ergonomic related injuries and MSD, and reduction of compensation costs, medical expense, and employer absenteeism. That's all from our group. Thanks for lending your ear.